How to save a post draft on Threads. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can save a post draft on Threads. So this is how to go about it. First of all, log in into your Threads account just like I have done here. And once you're logged in, move to the bottom part of the screen where you see some icons such as home, search, plus icon, like icon, and then your profile icon. Select the plus icon to open the composer window. So start composing your post. All right. And then once you're done to a point, perhaps you don't know what to write anymore, close the composer or move to the top right corner of the screen and click the paper icon that you can see there. Then a pop-up would ask if you want to save this draft or not. So you can just click save, and then just like that, your post has been saved to draft. All right. And you can always go back to your draft in order to recover it and edit it to make a complete post on Threads. So that's how it works. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.